Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you an interesting video to show you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet. Yes, this is a feature that will add an extra layer of protection to your Pi wallet and prevent unauthorized persons from logging into your wallet and possibly stealing your Pi coins from it. With this two-factor authentication, once you activate it, you are sure your wallet is guarded and secured from unauthorized access and unauthorized transactions happening in your wallet, meaning you will not fall victim of scam activities that many pioneers have experienced and will still experience in the near future. Before we proceed on how to do this, I would say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post interesting videos as this. Good. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. How to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to have it secured and protected from unauthorized access and transactions happening inside your wallet without your consent. How to do this is, firstly, you locate your Pi browser. And please make sure you do whatever I'm going to show you here inside your Pi browser, the one on your phone. Yes, don't do it any other place so you don't expose yourself further. Thank you. And once it's open like this, the next thing you do is you click on this home button here to review the address bar of your Pi browser. And once the address bar is reviewed like this, what you need to do is you click on the address space and you remove .com, and then you add hyphen authentication .web.app. Yes, the URL is pinet-authentication.web.app. Don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video and also on the comments. So whenever you're ready, just go to the description or look at the comment. You will see it there. Copy it and paste into the Pi browser or on your phone. And make sure you copy exactly so you don't make mistakes. Thank you very much. And once you've entered it like this, the next thing you do is you click on enter to proceed to the site. Good. This is the first page, Pi Wallet 2FA Security, Enhanced Protection for your Pi Assets. Okay, I wouldn't be reading this, so when you want to do yours, you can take time and read every other thing on the page to know how exactly this thing works. But because of time, I will just go down to this button here that says Activate 2FA on your Pi Wallet. I'll click on it to proceed. Good. This is the wallet authentication page where you authenticate the particular wallet you want to activate this 2FA feature on. All you need to do is you input the 24-word phrase of that wallet here and hit on authenticate with passphrase. Whichever wallet passphrase you put in here is the wallet where the 2FA feature will be activated on. So I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is to click on this box, long press on it, and paste. Good. And once I've pasted it like this, the next thing I will do is to click on the authenticate with passphrase button to proceed. Good. This is the email verification page. This is where you link an email address to this your Pi wallet you just provided now. And this email address will be where all two-factor authentication verification codes will be sent to anytime anyone or anybody or any bot tries to log into your wallet from a Pi browser that is not this one you're doing this on. Yes, they will be prompted to provide a 2FA code that will be sent to this email you are going to put here now. Good. And if they are unable to provide that code, that means they can't log in into your wallet, meaning your wallet is protected. That is how this thing works. It secures your wallet because it is no more only your passphrase that is needed. Now you need to provide a two-factor authentication code that will be sent to the email you use while activating this process. And if you fail to provide that, you will not be able to proceed. So I will go ahead and enter my own email address, the one I want to link here for my 2FA. So I will enter it here. Okay, and there's a box to confirm email address again, so I'll enter it here again. Good. And once I've entered it like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button that says send verification code. And you wait. Beautiful. Verification code sent to your email. Yes, verification code sent. A 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email. Check your email for the activation code and enter it below to proceed. Okay, yes. So I have been sent the verification code. All I need to do now is to go to my email and get that code and input into this box here to complete this process. So follow me to my email address. Yeah, this is my email here, Gmail, Google. I'll click on it to open it. Beautiful. I got the email. See it here, Pi Network Support 2FA verification code. Good. What I'm going to do now is to open the email and get the code. Yes, you can see the code here, Pi Network 2FA activation. Your verification code. You requested to activate two-factor authentication for your Pi Network wallet. Use the code below to complete the process. Okay, I will just memorize this and go back to the page and paste it there. The code is 129641. 129641. So I'll put it here. 129641. And once I've entered it, the next thing I'll do is to click on verify and activate 2FA. You will allow it. Perfect. Beautiful. Now I have successfully activated two-factor authentication on my wallet. I do not have to fear anything now. Even if somebody steals my passphrase now, the person will not be able to log into my wallet because the person won't have access to this email I put here. So he will not be able to log in and will not be able to steal my Pi coins in my wallet. Good. And as you can see here, it says two-factor authentication, 2FA successfully activated. Your Pi wallet is now protected with email-based two-factor authentication. This activation has been confirmed and logged to your browser console. From now on, you will need to verify your identity through your linked 2FA email when accessing your wallet on a different Pi browser aside this one. Good. Now it is done. That is how to do this. So once you get here and you get this success activation message, then you know you've activated it. Good. And that brings us to the end of this video. And I will say, if you find this video helpful, please kindly share it to all the pioneers out there and also like the video and help us create awareness so that other pioneers will be aware of this function and activate it on their Pi wallet to safeguard their assets and make sure no unauthorized persons has access to it to steal from their wallet. Good. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't stay locked out anytime I post sweet and good videos like this that will help the Pi ecosystem and the crypto space at large. And that would be that for today. I'll say thank you very much. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye bye.